Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, Pennsylvania, and I'm going to show you how to change your front brake pads. It's real simple. You got basically every caliper's got 2 bolts that hold on. Some have 3, some have 4, but for this demonstration we're using this Mazda MPV and it only has 2 here. So we'll go ahead and take these out. Pull your caliper right off, and you take your brake pad, and it just comes right out of that holder there. Doesn't take much to it. Then they have a little tool out here you can pick up at any brake store, parts store. They're $5, $6. You set this in here, one side or the other, doesn't matter. And what it does, it'll push up against this back side here. Pushes that piston back in, so you can get the new brake pads in then. You'll notice sometimes it'll go in there on an angle a little bit. When you get all the way in there, the other piston should start, you see it start to come in there. Not a big deal, just back it off a little bit. Take your brake pads off. You'll notice, unfortunately, with this type car, it doesn't have any little wear indicators on there for you. Slide your new ones in. Just like so. You put your caliper back on, same way you took it apart. It's as easy as that.